Welcome to TANFON Energy Installation Team in Nigeria. My name is Engineer John Felix Joshua. I have 10 years of working experience in solar energy design and installation. We have done design and installation of both residential and commercial energy system in Abuja. We have also done same in Lagos. We have done design and installation in Jalingo. We have done commercial design and installation in Port Harcourt. We offer free design of solar energy system to our clients. We also give installation support where such is needed. We also offer maintenance support to our clients. That means if your system have any challenges within 72 hours or 2 days, we should be able to be there at the scene to solve and restore your system back to normalcy. Here in TANFON, we give you the best out of energy system and also to give you the best out of energy design and installations. Thank you. We look forward to partnering with you in order to give you the energy requirements and also solve your energy needs from various larger and small scale systems. Thank you. Looking forward to partnering with us.